In this very video, I'll be showing you guys the top 3 Propfirm that are offering a free funded account and how you can get up to $300,000 on your trading account for this challenge, guys. Now stick with me to the very end of this video because I'll not only show you how to get these funds, but I'll also show you how to participate in the best one ever with low competition, guys. Now let's get into the main video of today. But before we get into the main video of today, if you are new to this channel, this is a channel where we'll upload videos on how you can get your free forex fund and start up your forex trading journey. Now without taking much of your time, let's get into the main video of today. But before I get into the main video of today, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button here. Click on the subscribe button down here. It's totally for free, just a one click something. Once you click on the subscribe button, click here, you get, and click on all. So any video you upload on how to get free forex fund, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to watch that video. Upon that, you can check out our channel. We have free and so many videos here on how to get funded, to get the concept, on how to get funded, on how to get no deposit bonuses, free Propfirm, and many more, guys. And also you just have to do what? Come here, you get, click on this arrow you are seeing here. So once you click on this arrow, it will take you to our about page. So this very page now, you see what? You see all the links to our social media platform. So if you want to be among our Telegram members where I do drop free signal for you guys, you just have to do it. You just have to click on here. You get, click on the first link to join our Telegram channel, like so. You can see it here. And the second one, you just have to follow me on Instagram, guys. You just have to follow me on Instagram and also follow us on our Facebook page, like so. And you can also join our WhatsApp group where we do free forex trading quiz and also drop some good information for you guys. Now upon this, let's get into the main video of today, guys. Now the first one on my list is called 8cap. Now 8cap is offering a free competition where you just have to do what? You just have to trade, and if you are among the winner, you get what? You get a cash prize and also a funded account. Now and if you look here, you see we have all, we have finished, we have in progress, and also we have upcoming. So you can see it here for yourself. Now for you to get the link of all this Propfirm I'll be making mention today, you just have to click on the comment down below, join our Telegram channel. You get the link of all this Propfirm I'll be showing you guys today. So here we have what? We have 8cap. So all you have to do once you get here, you just have to do what? So we are making this video on the 20th day of November. You get, on the 20th day of November. So all you have to do, you just have to filter this, you get, because all this information you are seeing here, some have already finished, you get, some are upcoming, some are in progress. So we have this one here where you see this label here, in progress. You get, we have this one here with a label of in progress, you get, and you just have for 10 days remaining, you get 14 hours. So all you have to do, you just have to hit on where it says upcoming. Now once you click on upcoming here, like so, it will show you the competition that's available. And here we have what? We have the Christmas competition, guys. So on the Christmas competition, all you have to do, first of all, before you hit on register, you just have to click on rules. Once you hit on rules, you see everything they want you to know about these rules. But before that, you need to sign up before you can be able to do what? To navigate this page. So once you hit on rules, they'll show everything you need to know about that. And if you are okay with that, okay, here we have what? We have the rules. You get, so you just have to go through the rules. You get, so the first position here, first place, you're entitled to get what? $1,900 cash prize. The second position, you're entitled to have $1,140, and the third position, you're entitled to get what? $760 cash prize. You get the concept. So you can go through everything here, everything you need to know here, and if you're okay with it, then you can come back here and hit on where it says register. Now upon hitting where it says register, it will take you to a page where they will ask you, they will tell you that okay, they have sent everything you need to know to your email address. Now once it's time, they will still email you as a reminder for you to do what? To start your challenge. Remember, this challenge is on a demo account. You get, nobody will want to test your trading skills with a live account. But upon this, once you pass the challenge and you come among the winners, you do what? You get a cash prize. You get, like I showed you guys previously. Now let's get into the second one, guys. Let's get into this. So the second one on my list here is Funded Next. So many of you guys know about this Funded Next challenge. And also, for those of you who don't know about it, I'll be breaking down everything you need to know and how you can go about in claiming it. Like I told you previously, on our Telegram channel, click the link or follow next. It will take you to where you just have to sign up. I already have an account there. So upon signing up, you just have to hit on where it says competition. Now once you hit on competition, it will take you to the competition page. I'm already on the competition page, so I don't have to click on it again. So here now we have what we have, this short note here, which I'll advise you to go through it. Get. So you just have to go through it to know what is the competition about. Now here we have what we have, the competition list, where we have the upcoming, we have the in progress, and we have the finish. Now upon that, you just have to scroll. I love this 100x challenge, reason being that they will show you everything you need to know, and also they will show you the ranking. You get, they will show you which number you are ranking this very moment, which is November. You can see it is in progress. And if I hit on profile now, you can see my profile. You get, so if I show it on profile now, you can see my profile, but I haven't placed any trade on this very account. You get, reason being that I think I'm very busy. You get, I'm super busy both offline and online, so I don't have much chance to trade on this very account, guys. So once I hit on profile, it will take me to a page where you just have to show me my ranking and everything, my profit. You get everything you need to know. You get the concept. So but what I want you to do when you come to this very page, you just hit on competition. It will take you here where you just have to see your profile. You get, so on your profile here you can see your current balance. You can see your current balance. Let's say you made profit, you see it here. You get, then your initial balance. You get, so my current balance, my initial balance is $300,000 because I haven't placed any trade here. You get, and here you do what, you check out the rules. You get, check out the rules of the challenge, and here you can see what you trade analysis, and here is your MT5 terminal, your logins and everything, guys. So if you scroll down here, you can see the login and everything right here. You get the concept. So to claim this bonus, you just have to do what, you just have to register for the December challenge. So if you come back here, you see it here. So this one is November challenge and it's in progress. So if you look here now, you can see it here in progress. So all you have to do, you just have to scroll up. You can filter it, or you just have to scroll down a little bit. You can see where it says December challenge right here. So here where it says December challenge, all you have to do right here, you just have to do what, to hit on. Okay, it seems I've already registered for December challenge. That's the reason why it's showing me profile right here. But if you haven't registered, to show you where this very section where you're saying profile, to show you register, and here you have about 45,173 contestants. You get the concept. So 45,000 have already registered for this competition. You get, waiting for the start date. Yeah, so you just have to hit on here where you have to see what you've registered. Once you hit on register, it will take you to a place where your notification will just pop up and tell you that, okay, thank you for registering for our free challenge, blah blah blah. And then they'll send you an email to your email box, guys. So that's just it. You get to check the rules and details. Go to your profile, you see rules, go through everything. I don't want this video to be too long, else I would have walked you through everything you need to know about this bonus. Now let's move on to the next one on our list. This one on our list here is what, the funded trader, guys. So this one is just similar to, all the Propfirm are similar to each other. You get the concept. So this one, once you sign up, you just have to go to your site, but hit on where it says competition, and upon hitting on where it says competition, so you can see the competition right here. So once you hit on competition, it will take you to this very page. You can filter it or scroll down. So we all have it here, upcoming, in progress, finish, blah blah blah. So you just have to do what, to go for the upcoming. So you just have to go for the upcoming, and once you click on upcoming, you have December here. You get your December competition. You already have 23,856 contestants waiting for this bonus. So all you have to do, you just have to hit on register. So once you hit on register, you have successfully registered, and once it's that time, they'll send you what, they'll email everything to you, guys. And to check out the rules, you just have to click on rules. Once you click on rules, you see everything you need to know about this very bonus. So once you click on register, it will send a pop-up message telling you have successfully registered, guys. So that's all, and I hope this video was very helpful. It's very easy. You get everything you need to know is right here for you. Thank you very much. You made it up to the very video. See you in our subsequent video, guys.